video we will talking about the logical operations in JavaScript. So what is the logical operator? Okay, so the logical operator are the operator which are or and union, intersection, not. Union means or, intersection means and not means minus. So the logical operator are those operator which gonna check the union, intersection and not means which is using these operators are used in a logical reasoning. So we're gonna check for two condition, more condition, and gonna find out the union intersection for this in JavaScript. So logical operators are extremely powerful source in any programming language. So these are some of the logical operators. So for the union we have this sign symbol for union, and intersection symbol is this, and not symbol is this. So these are operators which are obviously using in mathematics, which are for the boolean value. So this also returns me the boolean value. Operators we discussed in last tutorial that comparison operator gave me the boolean value, and this also gives me the boolean value. So given that x is equal to 6 and y equal to 3, so this will check for more than one value. For one value we're gonna check with our comparison operator, but logical operator are used for getting union intersection for more than one variable. Okay, so comparison operator is first this and operator. We're gonna use this symbol, and if we say x greater than 10, x is less than 10, so x equal to 6, 6 is less than 10, the answer is true, and y is greater than 1, so both the conditions are true. So true union true and true, that gives me true. So we're gonna say with this so we have to understand the truth table for this. So first understanding this truth table, in which we have a condition in which this p and this q. So if this p is true and this q is true, so the AND of this is also true and union is also true. But if we're gonna do not operator is used for only one operator. So we say not of p, so true, and not of true is false. Okay, and if p is true and this q is false, we're gonna find out the intersection means the AND. So we got false, but union is true, and again the p not p is false. And if we have p false, then we got not p, that is true, and if we have p that is false and q that is true, so we got the AND again false and the union is true. So that means if p and q, these two operators, if any one of these is true, so we got the result in union is true. And for the intersection p and q, they both must be true. If p and q they both must be true, then we got our output true using AND operator. And if we're gonna talk about the OR operator, if any of these condition is true, we got OR is true. So now start coding. So we're gonna say let x equal true and let y is equal to false. So we're gonna check the alert by using alert x, and now we're gonna use this union operator. So this is union operator, and true union false we discuss actually CD documents in our command promote directory using index.html. And when running this, so this gives me one value. So I have already discussed this. 1 means true and 0 means false. Okay, so true union false is obviously okay. And now talking about the false union false, saving this with control S, running our HTML file. So we got 0 and 0 means false. Okay, and now checking with the our AND operator. So we say this like this way, and if we say x equal this true, okay, and now testing our HTML file. So we got again 0 and let's check our not operator. So we're gonna say not of this x and saving with control as running our HTML file. -1 we got, so we got a -1. That is the result we each and every time got in our not operator. Okay, and now we're gonna check for more conditions in this, like x equal 10 and now y, let y, and that is equal 11. So we're gonna say alert x equal 10, and using this before doing alert we're gonna say this x equal 10. So this is my condition first, and I'm gonna put and operator in between this, and y equal 20, and putting this in our alert statement. So true union false, result is false, that means the 0. So this is how actually comparison operators are working in logical operators are working in our so this is how the logical operators are working in JavaScript. Okay, so in the next part in the next tutorial we will discuss about if, else, if statements. So next video is going to be too much interesting because the if statements, else if and else if statements are coming to our JavaScript part. So thanks for watching. So till now we cover every basic concept of JavaScript, like variable, strings methods, and actually about the arithmetic operations, operator precedence, and also comparison and the logical operators. So you must need to know about these basic concepts, because from the next video we will start if else statement. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and like, share and subscribe my channel for Python, JavaScript and machine learning videos. Join my JavaScript tutorial play series. Thanks for watching.